What a gentleman. Look at my tractor. Isn't it a beauty? Beauty. Sometimes I share it with Arthur. You can see that mowing the lawn is fun on a tractor. There it goes. Just got to pick up the leaves at some point with our leaf thing. And then I've asked him to dump them on my garden over here to be like compost. And yes, one day I have to empty the pond, but not this weekend. Look at all the colors. This maple tree, these trees. That's my half-dead maple tree, but it's still going strong. He wanted to cut it down, and I was like, oh no, it's still got life in it. And the pets use it as shade. I still haven't finished my job of digging up the bee balm. I started over in this corner, but didn't get to that corner. And then the idea is to move it here. I did some already.